Let's talk about what we're seeing outside today. Hopefully the weather on Saturday will cooperate. It's actually going to get a little bit less humid, even though the heat's going to stick around through the weekend. The worst of the weather, and the reason for our next weather alert, though, is tomorrow and Friday. Here's a look outside right now. It's kind of cloudy, but you can see a little bit of blue sky trying to fire up down the shore, maybe some peaks of blue sky in between the shower chances today. In the city, we're sitting at 70 degrees. Dew points are rising. So again, we look at the dew point, and here's my rule of thumb. If the first number is a 6, you're going to feel it. If it's a 7, it's swampy, it's miserable. Anytime you get dew points into the 70s, that's when it feels like the deep south. So it is creeping up. We had dew points in the 40s the other day, incredibly dry air. Today, starting to feel that kind of steamy nature as you step outside. Here's a look around the region today, starting off down the shore. A little bit more sun perhaps at 77 degrees, but a few isolated thunderstorm chances. In Philadelphia, we're going to stay mostly cloudy. Couple of shower chances here and there throughout the day, one around midday and another chance later on this evening. And for the Lehigh Valley, we're at 84 with late day and evening thunderstorm chances. So here's what we're seeing right now. You can see scattered showers here moving east of the city, but another band to watch. And while this is weakening, I do think this is going to come through right about 11 or 12 o'clock for the city and bring us another round of showers. There's more where that came from as well. Another chance as we get into the evening. Here's a look at what we're seeing currently. This shower just rolled through the city. It's now moving into Mount Laurel, New Jersey, portions of Burlington and Camden counties, seeing some steady showers moving through right now. That's going to move on out, but you will need the windshield wipers if you're in that area this morning. We'll take you through Futurecast because we've got 3 days with storm chances in the forecast. And while we do need the rain, you never need strong thunderstorms. I don't think we'll see severe weather today. These showers likely going to fizzle a little bit as they move in midday. Another chance this evening, though, and between about 6 and 8 o'clock, we'll have at least a few scattered storms fire up. And while they're looking to stay sub-severe, we could see damaging wind potential with any storm as the humidity really ramps up as well. Lots of moisture to work with, so it's like wringing out a sponge. You get heavy downpours as well. Some clouds overnight, and then tomorrow most of the day is just sunny and hot. But we have another chance for storms in the evening right about here, mainly from the city on south. That clears out, and then Friday, rinse and repeat, hot, humid, challenging records, and here's another chance for thunderstorms Friday evening. This is around 8 o'clock, and that comes through along a cold front, which is not going to knock the temperatures down all that much, but it is going to provide some relief as far as the humidity is concerned. I do want to show you our severe weather threats over the next couple of days, so let's pull up our map of the Northeast here, and what you'll notice is we'll start with today. Today, we're just seeing a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather. That's that kind of darker green shaded area you see encompassing Philadelphia, South Jersey, Delaware. But tomorrow it is upgraded to a level 2 risk. That's the yellow for really the entire Northeast. Any storm that comes through could produce damaging wind, possible hail, and also heavy downpours, although that's not part of severe weather. We define severe weather as large hail, damaging winds, or a tornado. We're in a level 2 risk again on Friday with storms coming in. And again, it's the heat that really feeds into the thunderstorm threat. That's what we'll be seeing as we get into the end of the week. And then the weekend gets a little bit better, but we could be challenging records here at least tomorrow and Friday. The record for both days, 95 degrees, will likely match that, possibly exceed it tomorrow. Good chance to break the record on Friday, and then just slightly cooler Saturday and Sunday. The humidity is going to come down a little bit as well. But take a look at tomorrow. By the time we get into the afternoon, look at these feels like temps. Even overnight, it's barely going to feel like below 70, and then tomorrow feeling like the triple digits. That is dangerous heat for Thursday and Friday. Still hot, but less humid, so below that threshold of dangerous heat for Saturday and